Do you know how your content is performing on the Pinterest platform? Or are you throwing spaghetti or pins at the wall and hoping that your Pinterest marketing strategy sticks? Well, in this video, I'm going to be showing you the new Pinterest Analytics dashboard and how you can discover which pins are getting the most impressions, saves, and most importantly, clicks to your website so that you can grow your business using Pinterest. Hi, I'm Vanessa Kynes. I'm a Pinterest marketing strategist for creative small businesses, and I help creative businesses craft traffic generating Pinterest marketing strategies. And in this screenshot tutorial, I'm going to be showing you the new analytics dashboard and how you can use this information to grow your email list, book your ideal client, or get traffic to your website. So let's get started. Guys, in this video, I'm going to be showing you the new Pinterest dashboard for analytics. Super easy to find, and if you don't have it yet, you'll probably have it soon. Go to the top left side of your Pinterest homepage and click on Overview. If you see the new, then you definitely have it and you can get excited and explore. So the basic overview of what is different is it's just a lot more functional. The graph is better. There's a lot more things that we can do, especially split testing. Your date ranges are going to be 7 days, 14, 21, 30, 60, and 90. And I personally really like to include 90 because I think it's really helpful to look at something by the last quarter. You can also compare your organic content to your promoted pin content. But one of my favorite features really is the ability to be able to look at your Instagram traffic. So if you watch my other YouTube videos, and I can link to them here, I've showed you how you can share your Instagram content on Pinterest so that we can get more traffic to your Instagram account and grow your presence there as well, especially if you are active at using Instagram stories. So this is going to allow you to look and see what your Instagram traffic is like. Mine is pretty abysmal because I don't actually regularly share my Instagram content, but as you can see, I have gotten a couple clicks over there. But if you're someone who's really active on Instagram, especially in your feed, then this is a great way to see what's happening. In the past, we haven't had that ability. Same for YouTube, though we all know YouTube has great analytics and you're able to see that traffic coming in on the YouTube dashboard. You can also separate things out by your devices, which I thought was really interesting to see where most of your traffic is coming from, or even your engagement or saves and how they're occurring. One thing to keep in mind is if you have most of your traffic from mobile, which is very likely going to be the leading traffic source, to make sure those pins are super legible and easy to read on a device. This can show you whether your traffic is coming from a pin that you originally pinned or someone else pinned. And so over here, we can take a look and see. Let's come back to my website, vanessakynes.com. We're able to compare link, clicks, close-ups, engagements, and impressions. Personally, for me, I really like to see what's happening with my traffic. And this is also a useful metric, link click rate, which is the number of clicks in that time period divided by impressions. So the average link click rate for this period is 0.3%. My guess is a good click-through ratio is probably going to be around 30%. So I'm right on target there. So keep an eye on that number because that's going to show you how your content is doing in terms of impressions and clicks. Over here, we can look at our top pins from this time period and which got the most traffic. And just interestingly, I'd like to point out that my top link clicks have been pins from pins that other people pinned, not myself. So I think that's the beauty of Pinterest, that you have other people doing the marketing for you, and that these posts, most of these posts I wrote in 2017, and yet they are still my top traffic drivers. So what do you think about the new Pinterest Analytics dashboard? For one, I'm super excited about it. I think you guys should all log in now and take a moment to see if you have it and then play around with it. If you're looking for more Pinterest marketing tips, you can subscribe to my YouTube page here, or you can watch my other videos to help you get started for using Pinterest for your creative small business.